Good morning. I'm so sick. I hate that I have prepared for this vacation for a long time and I am now sick. I like the lighting here. And I'm now sick. Oh my god. But you can see it in my nose. Basta. I am so sick today, but we're doing the Bondi to Coogee walk. And good luck to me. Athleisure once again. Superior outfit. But let's see how that's gonna go. We're just getting ready. And then we're gonna go. So, I'm not gonna be talking a lot today because I can't. But, let's see. Dito kami magwa-walk mamaya, going to Coogee, but we're probably gonna get some coffee first. Ganda! Bondi Beach! Anong masasabi mo? Maganda naman. Pero if galing ka na sa Pilipinas and you have seen our beaches, you would know. Ang ganda din talaga ng mga beach natin sa Pilipinas. Pero pino yung sand. Pino nga siya, bebo. Wow. Pinong-pino. Parang parang Boracay-ish. Ganon.
Malinis daw.
Yeah, malinis. Yun ang masasabi mo dito. Everyone's responsible. Di sila nagtatapon ng basura, inaalagaan nila. Gusto ko mag-picture ng someone na nagsusurf. Langaw ba yun o drone?
Drone.
We have started our outdoor walk timer.
Timer?
Ay, timer. Timer naman to, bro. And just having coffee along the way. Sabihin ko sana dito. Palabas na kami ng Bondi. That's the famous Icebergs. It's a restaurant. There's also a pool that you can swim in. Maganda siya kasi pool tapos you have a view of the ocean. Sabi dun sa pinapanood namin kahapon, walang masyadong stairs. But no. Maliit lang naman. Stairs ka agad. Paangat. Update you later. This is a famous area. This is Bondi Icebergs Club. You can have a meal there. And alam ko you can swim here, but you have to pay. It's such a gorgeous view of the ocean, of the beach. Tapos, intersection with the pool. I really initially wanted to swim here. But I'm sick. I'm so sad because ang perfect ng temperature, mainit, maaraw. Would have been perfect to swim, but I'm so sick. Sayang no, init pa naman. Gusto ko pa naman mag-swim dito. Sayang. This is a little map. We're here at Bondi Beach. Hindi pa nga tayo nakadaan ng Bondi Box. Ito pa dadaanan natin. Mackenzie's Bay, Tamarama Beach, Bronte Beach. Or we can end up at Clovelly Beach. Oo, kasi Coogee. Okay, Cliff Top Walk. Let's go. But I don't mind because look at this view. Sabi ko, look at this view. Ang ganda, babe. Oh my God. Can we have a moment sa mga ganda. Let's go. Ay naku, kulang yung memory namin. I can tell. Sayang, ang ganda pa naman. Ito pa naman yung pinakamagandang part. Pero pwede naman natin kuhaan sa cellphone. Ang ganda din ito. Ito.
Tinuloy-tuloy mo talaga.
Huh? 1 kilometer done. May sobrang steep na stairs doon. Hingal. Stairmaster can never. Para saan pa nagsa-stairmaster ako. Hingal-hingal naman ako pagdating doon. Oh my God. Okay. On to the next 5 kilometers. Baby. Hi. Hi. 2 kilometers split. Ay, may nagsasurf doon. Ang galing. Spot din pala yan. Hindi siya flat ha. Healthy waves. Kilometer 2. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God, kahit may sakit ako, I would highly recommend this walk. I wish we had gone yesterday kasi sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. So, okay na na ngayon. We're going at much slower pace than you would want to. Ideally, I think i-run namin to. Kaso, sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. Let's head on to kilometer 3. 3 kilometers in, we're at Bronte Park. May beach dyan. Kaso may ginagawa. May ginagawa dito sa gilid. So, hindi masyadong makita yung beach. But may beach dyan. Ayan o. Later, pag akyat, I'll show you. It's beautiful. Nakakapagod siya, pero hindi naman masyadong nag-feel kasi sobrang ganda ng view. So, 3 kilometers. We'll see you guys later. Ayan yung beach. Doon tayo galing kanina. Hindi siya kita kasi may construction going on over here. But this is the beach. And my view. Ganda, grabe. Can you imagine living here? Ito yung mga houses. There are establishments. There's a fish and chip store there, juice bar, burgers, there's a cafe. Really a lot of options if you want to eat. But balak namin sa Koji na kami kakain. Work up an appetite. See ya! Kilometer mark. There is a cliff here. I think you can take photos, but this is the view from where we are. Stunning. There's a cemetery here. Kilometers. Split 5. We're at Clovelly. I don't know if this is Clovelly Beach, but parang yun yung what we saw there. So they have like this patch of beach right here, calm yung water. So, pwede kang mag-swim. Ito. Itong kahabaan yan, pwede kang mag-swim. Ito pala yung beach. Ayan. Clovelly Beach.
Tapos may pool din sila.
Hmm?
May linis lang nila yung pool. Ako.
We are now at Split 6, but we took a break. Nag-merienda kami. We got some blueberries. My husband got string cheese kasi parang hindi na namin matatawid hanggang lunch. Para lang hindi ako ma-hungry. And we are at this it's beautiful and stunning. Impressed kami kasi tignan niyo yung stairs. And then, doon kami galing. Dito kami papunta. Tsunun. Mataas siya hanggang doon sa pintaas. Diba? I'm at, oh my god, look at my background. Parang yung background ng Microsoft Windows. Except it's a C. But I am at Split 7. Well, 6.99. Almost 7. Baka mas mabilis yung watch. But I think we're almost there. And you can see walking here. Baka close na kami. I don't know. But I'll let you know. Ayun, Split 7. Later. Ilan yung split sa'yo? 6.4?
Yun yata yung tama.
Ah, okay. Sa akin, 7.21. I don't know why. Siguro kasi maliliit yung steps ko. I don't know.
Baka naglalakad ka
Oh,
kasi
I
pag
don't-
nagpipicture ka.
Oh, I don't know. 7.21 siya, but my husband has 6.4. But we're finally at Coogee Beach. Coogee Beach. It's Coogee Beach, whatever. Parang mas, para sa akin lang. Parang mas maganda to kasi dun sa Bondi. Or I don't know. Pero they each have their own beauties. But personally, as a preference, this beach right here for Coogee, ayan o. So parang itong area, parang hindi siya ganun ka-harsh kumpara sa Bondi. I think it's swimmable. And if wala talaga akong sakit, magsuswimming kami dyan. Kaso, sayang naman. But that's okay. For next time. Save it for next time. Documenting so I can save it for next time. That next time we come here, we're gonna go swim. Baka summer. Summer tayo. Eh, paso pag summer tayo pumunta, mainit. Ganda oh, there's so much space para mag-sunbathe. But I'm starving, so we're probably gonna get something to eat. Here is everything we have. We have cucumber. Hindi naman nag-rice kasi yun, dami naman. We have xiaolongbao. We have kakao. Let's eat. We just finished lunch and we're now at the general kind of like beach area. It's public. Pero parang gusto ko magpa-araw. Look. Gusto ko doon kasi wala kaming dalang map. So we're probably just gonna stay here sa grass para magpa-araw. Ang daming birds. Look, ang daming birds. Medyo maginaw. I wanna stay here. My husband got coffee. There's a kiosk here. You can have some coffee and dessert. Habang nagpapaaraw. If not for my coats and cap, this would have been perfect, but still. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. You cannot tell me this is something that I get to enjoy. Sobrang ganda. It's just so nice to sit here without any itinerary. Look at the dogs. Gusto ko na yung dog ko. Medyo natatakot ako dun sa mga ibon kasi yung mga sound nila parang makikipag-away. Not that sound, but there were like a couple of birds here earlier. Tapos parang nag-away sila.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.